Right, so let's see, we have at the moment 500, 500, 300 and 500, so we want to take the third one from the bottom and replace it with a 1 tera. Everything is green, your Drobo is protected, so it says. We're gonna take, here's the Drobo, take the third one, 1, 2, 3, and there it is. And you should just pop it out. It's never as easy as it looks. Come out, come out. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's all gone orangey. Here we go. It's all flashing orange. Ooh, a nice hot hard disk. And that's out. So, what does the Drobo say? It's all flashing orange, and it's saying data is going to be rebuilt in approximately 13 hours. I cannot protect your data against a single hard drive failure. I'm running low. Insert a new hard drive into the empty slot indicated in the yellow light. Let's do that. Here we have a brand spanking new 1 terabyte of clean data. Sealed. Cha-ching! Here we go. Hitachi. So they say. Right. So here we go. And it's in. And now it still says 300, and hopefully in a little bit it should say 1 tera. There we go. You saw that live. Well, as live as YouTube is, or Vimeo, whatever I upload this to. And it's gonna take a while, and I'm not gonna record a 15-hour clip. Maybe next morning. Bye. And this is Drobo.